Hey, a very good morning. I hope that everybody is doing great. A very warm welcome to the official YouTube platform of Goprep Class 9th. I hope that all of you are doing great. Myself, Abha Pandey, your biology faculty right here at Goprep. So yes, please like the video, share with your friends and subscribe the channel, and also please press the bell icon so that you remain notified for such amazing sessions. So yes, in this session we are going to talk about a very unexpected discovery. So yes, we'll start this morning with a very beautiful quote by Buddha, and the quote is, "The mind is everything what you think you become." So आप क्या सोचते हैं वो बहुत important है, आप क्या बनते हैं. So that it is very important that you should think positive. If you will think positive, आपके साथ सब कुछ positive होगा. So yes, in this session we are going to talk about a very unexpected discovery. So salivary glands. I hope that all of you have listened about this. Salivary glands. जब भी salivary glands का नाम आता है, we are always like this. Okay, these are the glands which are responsible for the secretion of saliva. But discovery के बारे में हम salivary glands के बारे में क्यों पढ़ रहे हैं? Yes, scientist has discovered a new pair of these salivary glands, right? So now let us discuss about the discovery. So basically, as you can see over here, the scientist has discovered a new pair of the salivary gland. So before talking about that salivary gland, we should get an idea about the other salivary glands too. So yes, if we talk about the salivary glands, earlier it was like that there are three pairs of these salivary glands. And they are sublingual, submandibular and parotid. So basically, according to the earlier studies, there were only three pairs of the salivary glands, and they are as such: sublingual, submandibular and parotid. So if we talk about the parotid gland, as you can see over here, this gland is the largest gland. So parotid gland, okay, is the largest salivary gland, which is located in the front of the ears. Okay, now the next one, it is the largest gland. The parotid gland is the largest gland, which is located just in the front of the ear. Now if we talk about the next one, as you can see over here, it's mentioned that it is submandibular. Okay, so the next one is submandibular gland, submandibular salivary gland. So this gland is the size of the walnut. Okay, walnut जितना इसका size रहता है, and as you can see over here, where it is located? It is located just below the jaw. Now let us talk about this one. As you can see over here, this is the third pair of the salivary gland, and which is sublingual. So sublingual, as its name suggests, where it is located. But before that, let us talk about its shape. As you can see over here, it looks like almond shape. So yes, the sublingual salivary gland is almond shaped salivary gland, and it is located in the floor of the mouth. Okay, located under the floor of the mouth, just below on the either side of the tongue. So earlier there were only these three salivary glands were discovered. But yes, now the scientist has discovered a new salivary gland. The name of the salivary gland is tuberous gland. As you can see over here, this is the new pair of the salivary gland, which is known as tuberous gland. Okay, so how it was discovered? Basically, the scientists at the Netherlands Cancer Institute was studying the prostate gland, cancer, and then they noticed this particular gland. ठीक है, वो क्या कर रहे थे? वो prostate cancer को study कर रहे थे. तब इन्होंने notice किया, okay, there is some type of gland over there. So the gland is named as tuberous gland because it is draped over, ये cover किया हुआ है अपना torus tuberous को. Basically torus tuberous is the structure that supports the entrance of the auditory tube. जो हमारी auditory tube होती है उसके entrance को support करता है ये structure. So as this gland was found draped over the tuberous gland, and hence it's named as tuberous gland. So the scientists have studied around 100 of patients, and they found the presence of the glands in all of them. So they said that the size of the gland is around 3.9 centimeters in length on average. मतलब उन्होंने सबको स्टडी किया तो यही पाया. Okay, so the scientists were from the Netherlands Cancer Institute, right? Now if we talk about the other information which they gave for this particular tuberous gland, is that this organ is where it is located. It is deep in the upper part of the throat behind the nose. Okay, now the organ is a set of a salivary gland about 1.5 inches in length on average. And if we talk about what is its role, it is believed to be lubricated and moisten the upper throat. Okay, so इसका काम क्या है? इन्होंने बोला कि जिसका काम है basically it lubricate and moisten the upper throat behind the nose and the mouth, right? So yes, I hope that you have learned something new from this session. So yes, please stay tuned so that you get amazing discovery from this session. So yes, do not forget to like the session and share it with your friends, and please do not forget to subscribe the channel so that you remain notified for such important discoveries, right? And yes, we have launched a very important course for all of you. That is, in this course you can revise science and maths. You can revise the CBSE syllabus of 9th standard, the revised one, and for science and maths, if you're interested for science and maths, then this course. And if along with the science and maths you want for social science and English too, then you have this course. So please, in this course you will get ample amount of questions to solve so that you can do best in your school exams. So this is the code by which you can get more discount. So yes, if you want, you can register for this exam. You can register for this course, which is going to start from 2nd November onwards. Yes, and if you want to become master in structure of atom and you are like I have some doubts in structure of atom, थोड़े बहुत जो भी doubts हैं, then for this you can join this course. It's a 5-day course which is going to start from 2nd November onwards, and if you want, you can enroll for this course. So yes, if you want to write an exam, that is TechFest by IIT Bombay, so yes, you can register for this exam too. The registration is absolutely free and the exam date is on 31st October 2020, and there is chances to win around 60k, right? So this is, if you're like, you can also install the Goprep Live app where you will get various live lectures, various doubt clearance facilities too. And yes, if you want to remain updated with such discoveries, you can join me on Telegram. So this is my official Telegram channel. The link is given over here. Here you can discuss your academic as well as non-academic doubts. I'm always there for you to help in all the possible way I can. Still, if you found that you have any kind of doubt, you can reach out to GoPrep at the details given below. So yes, please do not forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends. And yes, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you remain notified for such amazing sessions. Thank you.